In the world of men, the power of words extends far beyond mere speech. It's the tool that shapes our careers, nurtures our relationships, and defines our journey through life. Hello, gentlemen, and welcome back to Gentleman's Growth Guide. Today, we have an essential topic to discuss: the art of communication. Effective conversations are the cornerstone of success in both personal and professional lives. What are communication skills? Why are communication skills essential? Can I learn better communication skills? How can I improve my communication skills? If you constantly ask yourself these or more questions related to communication skills, this video is for you. So, if you're ready to enhance your communication skills, stick around as we dive into this crucial aspect of self-improvement. Having the ability to communicate clearly and effectively is undeniably one of life's most crucial skills. It serves as the backbone of our interactions, allowing us to both convey and comprehend information throughout our entire lifespan. At its core, communication can be defined as the art of transferring information. This transfer can occur verbally, through the written word in various mediums like books, magazines, and the digital realm, as well as visually, employing images, charts, and nonverbal cues such as gestures, body language, and the nuances of pitch and tone in our voices. Communication skills grant us the ability to not only understand ourselves better, but also to connect with and comprehend others. When your communication skills are robust, you become adept at conveying information in a manner that is accessible and clear to your audience. Proficient communication enables you to deliver messages with brevity and precision, ensuring that your recipients grasp your intended message. The development of effective communication skills holds significant importance across all facets of life, spanning from the professional to the social realm. The ability to convey information with precision and clarity is a paramount life skill, although it might often be overlooked. It's essential to recognize that inadequate communication can detrimentally impact numerous aspects of one's life. In the current landscape, the importance of proficient communication is more pronounced than ever. Let's dive in. Ask people to give you constructive criticism. Encouraging and receiving constructive criticism is a valuable practice that can greatly enhance your communication skills. Seeking honest feedback from friends, colleagues, or mentors is a proactive way to gain valuable insights into your abilities and areas where improvement is needed. Developing effective communication habits. Effective communication often relies on the cultivation of habits that develop over time through consistent practice. You can significantly enhance your communication skills by actively working on these habits during your interactions. This encompasses practices such as maintaining steady eye contact while engaged in conversation, employing positive nonverbal cues to convey your message, and skillfully using questions to facilitate meaningful dialogues. The art of active listening. A crucial aspect of effective communication is the ability to be an active listener. This skill can be refined by actively engaging in conversations, responding with affirmative statements, and asking thoughtful questions that demonstrate your genuine interest in the speaker's words. By doing so, you show that you are fully attentive and receptive to their message. Mastering nonverbal communication. Mastering nonverbal cues and signals is an excellent way to prevent misunderstandings and convey your interest in those you interact with. Begin by becoming more aware of your facial expressions and body language during conversations. Remember that nonverbal signals play a significant role in shaping the impression you leave on others. To make a positive impact, focus on maintaining consistent eye contact, using hand gestures judiciously, and adopting an upright posture, particularly when meeting new people. These small yet impactful adjustments can help you become a more effective and engaging communicator. Practice public speaking. Engaging in public speaking, although it may initially seem intimidating, stands out as one of the most effective means of honing your communication skills. The most accomplished communicators dedicate time to perfecting their capacity to express thoughts and emotions. Whether addressing a large audience or conversing one-on-one, you can attain mastery in this art by consistently speaking in front of groups of people. This practice not only amplifies your strengths, but also highlights areas for improvement, ultimately fostering the development of exceptional communication habits. Filter conversations. To become a proficient communicator, It's crucial to cultivate strong social skills that allow you to filter and tailor the way you express your thoughts and emotions depending on the specific social setting. This means having a keen awareness of what is appropriate to communicate in various interpersonal situations. This skill isn't about concealing your thoughts, but rather about adapting your communication style to maintain decorum and harmony within diverse contexts. By doing so, you can effectively prevent potential conflicts and ensure that your interactions are respectful and appropriate for each situation. Providing feedback. Offering concise and timely feedback is essential to effective communication. Prioritize appreciative feedback and aim to provide more positive than negative comments. Expressing appreciation demonstrates your genuine concern for the other person and helps create a comfortable environment, making them more receptive to constructive feedback. Positive feedback conveys encouragement and appreciation, while negative feedback can come across as critical and disapproving. Striking a balance with more positive feedback not only mitigates the negative aspects, but also aids in the effective delivery of constructive criticism. Being present. Being fully engaged in a conversation implies actively paying attention to the other person's words and thoughts. Actions such as fiddling with your mobile device, responding to emails or text messages, avoiding eye contact, or displaying disinterested facial expressions can inadvertently convey a lack of engagement. To demonstrate your commitment to the conversation, consider closing your laptop, stowing away your phone, and offering your undivided attention. If you are managing any urgent matters, it's a good practice to inform the person at the outset of the meeting to set clear expectations. This way, you establish transparency and maintain a respectful and focused dialogue. Adapting your communication style to different roles. Recognize that individuals have varying learning preferences. Some thrive on comprehensive details and prefer a step-by-step approach, while others prefer a more independent, exploratory learning style. Effectively tailoring your communication to align with an individual's preferred learning style is paramount. Adapting your communication style to suit these distinctions fosters more effective collaboration and ensures that information is conveyed in a manner that resonates with each role's specific needs and preferences. Cultivating empathy and compassion. Empathizing with the other person's communication is crucial. Strive to approach the conversation without judgment or preconceived notions. Instead, make an effort to understand and contemplate the situation from the other person's point of view. Pause and inquire before speaking. Prior to offering your statement or solution, take a moment to grasp the perspective of the ongoing conversation. Ask pointed, open-ended questions for clarification either during the discussion or at its conclusion. This proactive approach aids in eliminating potential misinterpretations or unwarranted assumptions. Improving your communication skills is a lifelong journey, gentlemen. It takes practice and dedication, but the benefits are enormous. Remember, it's not just about what you say, but how you say it that truly matters. Thank you for joining us on this journey to mastering the art of communication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Gentleman's Growth Guide for more valuable content. Until next time, gentlemen, keep growing, keep communicating, and keep being the best versions of yourselves. Cheers!